the repairs of the offshore patrol vessel, BRP Gregorio Del Pilar, PS-15, are estimated to be completed by the end of December. The ship's repair is already 70% complete, with an estimated completion date around the last week of December 2021, said Philippine Navy, PN, spokesperson Commander Benjo Negranza, in a message to the Philippine News Agency when sought for updates on the naval vessel Wednesday night. Dock and sea trials for BRP Gregorio Del Pilar were conducted in the last week of November. Another sea trial will be scheduled upon correction of noted deficiencies, if any, found on the previous sea trial, Negranza said. Despite the BRP Gregorio Del Pilar undergoing maintenance, he assured the public that the PN vigilantly stands guard at our borders, effectively safeguarding Philippine waters. One of the ship's two variable pitch propellers was damaged, along with its propeller hub, after its grounding off Hasa Shoal in August 2018. Negranza earlier said the dry docking and other related repairs of BRP Gregorio Del Pilar are expected to be completed by September. Difficulties in procuring parts and the ongoing coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19, pandemic have moved the completion of the repairs of the BRP Gregorio Del Pilar to the latter part of 2021.